welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little review and kind of like swatch video of all the new Huda Demi matte lipsticks. So these are not matte in my opinion, they are shiny. They're almost like a gloss, but they have a lot of pigment to them and they go on like a liquid lipstick. So like, you know, like one swipe and it's like really nice. We're going to be swatching almost all the colors. I think there was like 6 shades that I didn't swatch, but I did as many as I could. I wanted to do all of them, but taking lipsticks off with a makeup wipe and then reapplying a billion times is very drying on my lips, and my lips are already super dry, so this is a little difficult. But I swatched a bunch of nude ones, I swatched a bunch of fun colored ones, dark ones. I swatched as many as I could. So I hope you enjoy watching this. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And let's dive into the swatch party, shall we? So I'm going to start from lightest to the darkest color. Only makes sense, right? I think so. So I'm actually going to start with the one that comes in the package in the PR, and this one is called SheEO. And even the packaging on these ones, they're kind of like see-through. It's really cute. They have a nice scent to them. That's one of my favorite things about her liquid lipsticks, is that they smell so stinking good. They smell like vanilla cake, and it makes you want to eat them. So I'm going to start with SheEO. So first thing right off the bat that I just want to say is that they have a lot of pigment to them. They are almost like a liquid lipstick, but they have that little bit of shine to them, and they feel amazing. Like, this feels amazing on my lips. I am pretty impressed. You don't need a lip liner with it, obviously. So that color was SheEO, not SheEO. SheEO. Next color is Game Changer. Next color is Day Slayer, which looks like a perfect nude color. I'm only on shade 4. And my lips already are hating me so bad. Next shade that I'll be trying is Revolutionairre. This one looks really pretty, like a gray tone. I love this one. It is super pretty. Next color is this pink nude kind of shade, and this one is called Bonnie. We've gone through 5 shades, and I've done quite a few nudes, so I'm going to start getting into the darker, more fun type of colors, but I just want to say that I really love this formula. Of course, I don't know how it wears throughout the day, but so far, just being on my lips, it feels really nice, super pigmented, packs a lot of punch, one swipe. You don't need to like go over and layer it. It is like really good. Really good so far. And while my lips do feel pretty raw right now, it's not because I'm taking the lipstick off, it's because I'm putting a face wipe on my lips over and over again, but I feel like it doesn't have anything to do with the lipstick because the lipstick is actually super, super hydrating. So yeah. So like I said, I'm going to start getting a little bit darker. There's a few more nudes, but I feel like I've done enough nudes. I want to do some fun colors, so I'm going to do Catwalk Killa. It's like a purpley kind of shade. This one looks super pretty. This one is Passionista. It is like a super magenta pink kind of shade. I'm going to try on 2 more colors, and I think that's about all I can handle for today. For sure wanted to try Boy Collector because reds are my nudes, so definitely want to try this and see what kind of red it is. I think this one is my favorite so far. I really like it. Last color. This one is called Bawse. It's a deep purple color. Alright guys, so final thoughts on these Huda Demi Matte lipsticks is that they're bomb. They're amazing. I think I'm going to really be obsessed with these. I really like the formula. They're super creamy. They sit very comfortably on the skin. My only concern is that they may bleed on me. I have really bad luck with regular lipstick formulations bleeding on me, so we'll see what happens. That's why I love liquid lipsticks so much, is because they don't bleed. But I do have to go to work today, so I will be wearing I think I'm actually going to be wearing Boy Collector to work today, so yeah, so we'll see how well they hold up. I'm also going to put a lip liner on with it and maybe see if that makes any difference with anything, but I really, really love these. I think the colors are really pretty, and I think the formula, it just feels so nice on my lips, like not sticky whatsoever. There's no stickiness at all, so I'm pretty impressed with these. I mean, I'm always impressed with anything Huda does, let's be real, but these are pretty amazing. Please let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Are you going to be purchasing any when they come out in stores or online? What do you think? I think they look really nice. Really, really nice. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.